This is the Bug Assault 2.0. Welcome to Almost Outdoors. We're camping again this weekend. We're doing a little celebration for my daughter's 6th birthday. So she's turned 6. She turned 6 on the 4th, I believe it was, of June. Yes, tattooed on me so I don't forget. So I'm going to show you how I make my my little fire starters. My little these little things. They look like little Tootsie Rolls or pieces of candy or something, but it's not. So it's a pretty simple way to make these. You just take a old toilet paper roll or a paper towel roll and you cut it. So you want it about this big. You got any lint?
Yeah.
Let me get that. Let me get some lint there.
Belly button lint.
Oh man, that's gross, dude. That's nasty.
It's awesome.
That's a full day of my brother's belly button lint, so we're just gonna shove some lint in there. If you collect your belly button lint, it actually works out a lot, better. So we're gonna shove that in there. And the next thing so it's kind of looking like this. And then what you want to do is you take a little bit of wax paper. These are for little fire starters I use, and they work awesome. So you want it about just a little bit over the width of the, about twice the width of the toilet paper roll. Give that a rip. And you're just going to take it in there like that, and you roll. Now keep it nice and tight in there. This is what you want after you roll it up. So you put that at the bottom of your pile. You put your small sticks and whatever on top of it, light it, and that thing will burn nice and slow because of the wax. We got a screaming kid inside. That's how you make that. Fire starters. Almost Outdoor fire starters.
See ya!
So my birthday was actually the other day.
Yesterday.
Thank you, yesterday. Yeah, I turned 35. So my wife got me quite a few cool things. She got me a camera light, so when I'm making videos, it'd be a lot better light and it'll look more up to date as opposed to using all them bulbs like I was using before. I got a what else did I get? Oh, I got a couple of headlamp things, which I like. And then she also gave me this. This is the Bug Assault 2.0. So we're gonna do all kinds of stuff with this today, but you put salt in it. Put your little clip down, and as you can see, the sight doesn't come up until you cock it. And then you actually have the safety here. You push down and then you're ready to fire. So we're going to find a bug. We're going to shoot it. And we'll probably just be, you can also use this to season people's food with. If you have a plate of food and you want some fresh salt, you know how they run around with them overly sized pepper grinders. Excuse me, sir, would you like some fresh ground salt?
That gun was actually banned on the Food Network because Emerald Lagasse would ban people's food with it.
Yeah, he's like, BAM! Yeah, so we're going to show you what it does to a fly. Come along.
Bug Assault.
Bug Assault in action.
Done. Got him. Oh, there's a mosquito.
Yeah, let's get the mosquito. Let's see if it'll annihilate a giant mosquito.
Annihilated.
Oh gosh. When you don't shoot people in the face with these things, they are dangerous, and we actually shot each other yesterday. And it does leave welts, and it will make you bleed because it comes out pretty forcefully. So we're going to mess with this thing all day and just shoot flies and season people's dinner and have some fun with the old Bug Assault. But it's the Bug Assault 2.0, and if you don't have it, it's a must. You have to get one of these things. It's fun as crap. Oh, there's a butterfly out there.
Don't Bug Assault a butterfly.
All right. Well. Any more?
Look on the camper.
Camper's dirty.
Oh, bug. There's one right there.
Where? Oh, there's another fly.
Hold on, I can't zoom in on it. I don't see him. I can't see it. to see it at the screen. Alright, go ahead.
Find another one.
Oh, there's one right there.
Where?
Right here.
All right, get down and get down level with it. Get down level with it. All right.
Done.
Video.
Oh, yeah.
This crappy cameraman I got. It stuns them and it kills them. It will take their wings off and everything else, but it's pretty fun to mess with. And flies were harmed during the making of this video. Stick out in your pipe and smoke it, Peter. Oh. Gotcha.
Gotcha.
I'm not gonna edit that out.
Oh, gee, sorry.
What a jackwagon.
You can use the beep on it.
It's awesome. You need to find something else to shoot.
Oh, there's one right there.
Where?
Right here.
Oh, I see it. The bug is on. 2000. Done. He's up on your roof. He's laying up there. Look at him. Oh, stay still.
Get him again.
He's like, tasty. Hold on. Oh, done.
Done.
Here's another one. Right here. Ready?
Hold on. Hold on.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, he got away.
Oh, you missed him. Bug assault.
Bug assault.
All right. So after the bug assault thing that my brother and I, that we did here at the campground. Well, we went to the pool. We had a little bit of fun. It wasn't that. It's not that sunny out. It's kind of overcast, but the sun came out a little bit. So we got family coming over, family and friends. They're actually getting ready to leave the pool. They should be heading back. I got a 9-pound pork butt in the smoker back there. Smoker. And we're going to have some food. Open up. Sadie's going to open up her gifts. We're going to enjoy the rest of the night, and we're going to actually use the bug assault thing some more. So we'll get on this, cleaning this mess up, and we'll get that bug assault right back here. There's your underpants. Put them up, let me see. Let me see your underbritches. There's your underwears. Show me your skivvies.
You got new undies for her birthday. She wear 4.
Britches.
I got them Sam's. All right, we're done looking at your underwear. Bye.